Are you truly prepared for a crisis that could leave your pantry bare? Let's look at our 17 essential prepper foods. These can each last a decade or more, ensuring your family has the sustenance they need. Don't wait until the unexpected happens and it's too late. Learn how to secure your food supply today. First up is white rice. It is a prepper's staple due to its high caloric content. It has a long shelf life of up to 30 years and has remarkable versatility in meal preparation. Its ease of preparation makes it invaluable in survival scenarios where cooking resources are limited. Economically priced, white rice allows for substantial stocking without significant financial strain, offering essential carbohydrates and, when enriched, vital nutrients like iron and B vitamins. Brown rice is not the same, as it contains natural oils found in its bran layer. These oils can go rancid over time, which reduces the shelf life of brown rice to about 6 months to 1 year. White rice, like many of the other dry items on this list, can be stored effectively by putting the food within a mylar bag together with an oxygen absorber. You then place the filled and sealed mylar bag within a 5-gallon or 20-kilogram plastic bucket to prevent spoilage. These airtight buckets with lids are durable and pest-proof too. 2. Hard grains such as buckwheat, wheat berries, and millet are invaluable. They are important for any prepper's pantry due to their rich content of essential B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production. Storing these grains in their whole berry form rather than crushed or milled is preferable, because the intact hulls offer natural protection against oxidation and pest infiltration. Although you will need to grind, mill, or blend these grains before use, storing them in this form significantly enhances their longevity. Properly stored in a cool, dry place in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers, these whole grains can maintain their nutritional value and remain viable for 10 to 12 years, making them an excellent choice for long-term food security. Proteins are indispensable in any prepper's food arsenal due to their essential roles in muscle repair and growth. 3. Dried beans are a cornerstone in this category. Not only are they packed with protein, but they also provide a significant amount of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and prolongs satiety, keeping you nourished and full for extended periods. Their storage capability is impressive, allowing them to be kept for years without losing nutritional value when stored properly in a cool, dry place. Dried beans can last approximately 30 years, but best used within 10 years for optimal taste and nutrition. Subscribe for more prepper tips. Dairy and sweeteners are vital components of a prepper's food supply, offering essential nutrients and health benefits. So food number 4 is powdered milk, as it's a key prepper staple due to its long shelf life of 10 to 20 years. When stored in a cool, dry place in an airtight container, it is a reliable source of calcium and protein, crucial for maintaining bone health and muscle function during prolonged periods without fresh food. Its versatility allows it to be used in various recipes. From beverages to baking, powdered milk is an excellent choice for both daily use and long-term storage. 5. Honey is not only a natural sweetener but also has impressive storage longevity, practically indefinite when stored in a sealed container. Its natural antibacterial properties make it unique, providing both culinary and medicinal uses, such as soothing sore throats or treating minor wounds. Honey's ability to remain stable and retain its quality over decades makes it an invaluable addition to any emergency food supply, while also capable of enhancing flavor and offering health benefits without the need for refrigeration. 6. Sugar and salt are quintessential for long-term food storage. Due to their indefinite shelf life and natural preservative properties, both are indispensable in cooking. Salt enhances flavors and aids in food preservation, while sugar acts as both a sweetener and a preservative. Salt is vital for fluid balance and nerve function, and sugar is great for providing quick energy. Both are easy to store, simply requiring a dry environment and airtight containers. Sugar and salt offer both practicality and reliability, making them essential items in any prepper's pantry. 7. Dried corn is an excellent choice for long-term food storage due to its versatility, nutritional value, and shelf stability. It can last up to 10 years when properly stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers, making it a reliable staple for preppers. Dried corn can be ground into flour, popped as popcorn, or rehydrated to be used in recipes like soups and casseroles, offering a variety of uses from a single item. Nutritionally, corn provides essential carbohydrates and fiber, along with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B and magnesium. Its ability to be stored easily and used in multiple ways makes dried corn a practical and valuable addition to any long-term food storage plan. 8. Ghee or clarified butter is a standout item for long-term food storage due to its exceptional shelf stability and rich nutritional profile. Unlike regular butter, ghee has had its milk solids removed, allowing it to be stored at room temperature without spoiling for up to a decade. This process not only enhances its shelf life, but also increases its smoke point, making ghee an ideal cooking fat for high-heat cooking methods. Nutritionally, ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, and K, and it contains butyric acid, which can help support gut health. Its robust flavor adds depth to dishes, and its versatility in cooking, from sautéing to baking, makes it an invaluable asset in any prepper's pantry. To store ghee for the long term, keep it in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to protect it from light, heat, and moisture. 9. Liquor such as whiskey and vodka offers excellent long-term storage benefits for preppers due to its indefinite shelf life when kept sealed. These spirits do not degrade over time and maintain their potency, making them valuable for bartering. Additionally, high-proof liquor can be used as a disinfectant or antiseptic in emergency situations, serving a dual purpose in survival scenarios. Its versatility and durability make liquor a practical and beneficial addition to any long-term emergency supply. 10. Dried pasta is a fantastic long-term prepper item due to its impressive shelf life of up to 30 years when stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. It's an excellent source of carbohydrates, providing sustained energy, which is crucial in survival situations. Pasta's versatility in culinary use also makes it invaluable, as it can be used in countless recipes from simple buttered noodles to more elaborate dishes paired with various sauces. Its ease of cooking and the comfort it provides make it an essential staple in any prepper's pantry. 11. Rolled oats are ideal for long-term storage, lasting up to 30 years when properly stored. They are nutritious, providing fiber, protein, and essential vitamins, and are versatile. Rolled oats are suitable for a range of dishes from breakfast to baking. Easy to prepare and highly filling, rolled oats are a reliable and valuable staple for any prepper's pantry. 12. Freeze-dried foods are excellent for long-term storage due to their 25 to 30-year shelf life. Lightweight in nature, they are easy to prepare. Just add water. They retain most of their original nutrients, flavors, and textures, providing a convenient and tasty option. Although more expensive, their longevity and ease of use make them a worthwhile investment for any prepper's pantry. 13. Dehydrated carrots are a fantastic long-term prepper item, with a shelf life of up to 20 years when stored properly. They are lightweight, easy to store, and retain much of their nutritional value, including vitamins A and C. Versatile in use, dehydrated carrots can be easily rehydrated for soups, stews, and casseroles, making them a practical and nutritious addition to any emergency food supply. 14. Lentils are an excellent long-term prepper item due to their high protein, fiber, and nutrient content. They have a shelf life of up to 30 years when stored in airtight containers with oxygen absorbers. Versatile and easy to cook, lentils provide a nutritious base for soups, stews, and salads, making them a valuable addition to any emergency food supply. 15. Canned beans and legumes are perfect for long-term storage, lasting up to 10 years or more when stored in cool, dry conditions. They are nutrient-dense, offering protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. Ready to eat and versatile, they can be used in various dishes, providing a quick and hearty meal option for any emergency situation. Be aware of the risk of botulism with canned foods. This is a serious illness caused by bacteria in low-oxygen environments. To stay safe, avoid cans that are bulging, leaking, damaged, or rusty. Do not consume food with an off odor, strange appearance, or have an unusual texture. Always inspect cans before use. Store them in a cool, dry place and never taste any food that looks or smells suspicious. 16. Instant coffee is a great long-term prepper item due to its long shelf life of up to 10 years or more. It must be stored in a cool, dry place. It is lightweight, compact, and easy to prepare. Just add hot water. Instant coffee provides a quick energy boost and comfort, making it a valuable addition to any emergency supply kit. 17. Soy sauce is an excellent long-term prepper item due to its indefinite shelf life when unopened and stored properly. Its high salt content acts as a natural preservative and it enhances flavor, making even simple meals more enjoyable. Versatile and easy to store, soy sauce adds depth to dishes, ensuring variety in your emergency food supply. Stocking up on these essential, long-lasting foods is a simple way to prepare the best you can. We don't know what life will throw at us in the coming years. With these items in your pantry, you can provide nourishment and comfort for your family, ensuring you're ready for the future with more peace of mind. Start small and take one step at a time. Every bit of preparation helps. Remember, God provides, so get wise and learn how to survive.